Your brand new television is actively working against you right out of the box. Most televisions ship completely configured to impress a retail shopper standing under blinding fluorescent store lights instead of giving you the most accurate picture in your living room. You spent hundreds or perhaps thousands of dollars for a high-quality screen that runs factory default settings, designed to actively work against your overall picture quality every single night. We are going to fix that problem right now. The primary offender is a setting called motion smoothing. LG refers to it as True Motion, while Samsung labels it Auto Motion Plus, and Sony calls it Motion Flow. The television utilizes an internal processor to invent extra frames between the real frames to make movement appear smoother. This technique helps for watching live sports broadcasts, but severely damages the look of movies and television shows. Every film suddenly looks like amateur footage shot on a cheap camcorder. Directors and cinematographers spend years crafting exactly how motion feels on screen. Motion smoothing wipes all of that careful work out and replaces it with an unnatural appearance that feels visually wrong to most viewers. Go into your television picture settings right now and turn this feature off entirely. The next setting to adjust is your primary picture mode. Almost every television ships set the standard or eco mode to meet strict energy regulations, or utilizes a vivid mode to catch your eye on a bright showroom floor next to a competitor. When used at home in a normal living room environment, vivid mode destroys subtle detail in dark scenes, while making human skin tones appear orange, and turning regular colors unnaturally bright. Switch your viewing mode to movie, cinema, or filmmaker mode. The resulting picture will appear much warmer and significantly dimmer for the first few minutes. Give your eyes 10 full minutes to adjust, and you will see a clear improvement in overall image quality and color accuracy. The third setting to change is Eco Mode. This power-saving feature dims your backlight to cut electricity use, but makes your picture look like you are watching a movie through a foggy window. All the bright highlights you paid extra money for on an OLED or QLED screen get quietly smothered to save a tiny amount of money on your monthly electricity bill. Go find your main power settings menu to locate the Eco Mode toggle and shut it off. Your television deserves its full brightness to properly display the high-quality visual experience you originally purchased. The Sharpness setting operates completely contrary to its name. Turning the sharpness slider up does not make the image crisper or cleaner. The setting actually draws artificial halos around every edge in the picture, so that objects look completely outlined with a thick marker. Real 4K content already contains every piece of detail the camera originally captured. Increasing the sharpness slider does not reveal hidden detail, but instead invents artificial edges that never existed in the source material. Set your sharpness to 0, or as close to 0 as your specific television allows, to instantly see a much cleaner image. The fifth setting to address is noise reduction. This processing feature made sense decades ago when analog cable broadcasts and early DVD players produced grainy images that genuinely needed digital processing. When noise reduction processes a high-quality 4K streaming signal or a modern physical disc, it aggressively blurs the image and softens fine details. The feature actively degrades the picture quality of modern high-resolution displays. Turn noise reduction off entirely for all current streaming platforms and disc-based content. The sixth adjustment is color temperature. Most modern televisions ship set to cool or standard by default, to add a prominent blue tint to the picture. This causes news anchors to look sickly and pale, while white objects look visibly blue and skin tones appear entirely incorrect. Change this setting to warm or warm 2, depending on your brand. Film and television studios utilize a specific color standard called D65, and your television's warm setting provides the closest match to it. Watching a film graded by a professional colorist with this specific setting ensures you see the exact tones the creators intended. The seventh setting is Overscan. Many televisions automatically zoom into the incoming picture and crop off the outer edges. Manufacturers originally built this zooming feature to hide the imperfect and noisy edges of old analog television broadcasts. That specific problem disappeared decades ago, but the setting remained buried in modern television menus. Go to your aspect ratio or screen size settings and find the option for Just Scan, Fit to Screen, or a similar direct pixel mapping mode. These settings give you the entire complete image with every single pixel placed exactly where it belongs. The eighth setting is dynamic contrast. The television processor constantly analyzes each individual scene and automatically adjusts the light and dark areas. While it sounds like a helpful premium feature, the television actually crushes shadow detail into flat blobs during bright scenes and severely overexposes highlights during dark sequences. The picture shifts continuously and alters the viewing experience in distracting ways. Disable dynamic contrast immediately and let the content display its natural tonal range, just as the professional filmmakers graded it in the studio. The ninth setting involves the ambient light sensor. A small physical sensor located on the front of the television reads the ambient brightness of your room and adjusts the screen automatically. The picture changes brightness constantly as a table lamp switches on or a dark cloud moves outside your living room window. Every single shift in room lighting causes the television to adjust the screen mid-scene. A visual sequence designed to look dark suddenly brightens and loses its intended cinematic atmosphere. Turn the ambient light sensor off completely. Set your backlight brightness to your preferred viewing level and leave it there permanently. The 10th setting is the HDMI black level. When this setting does not match the specific output of your streaming device or video gaming console, dark areas look washed out and gray instead of deep and rich. In other mismatched cases, shadow detail vanishes entirely into solid black areas. Most streaming sticks and set-top boxes output a limited-range video signal, meaning your television's HDMI black level should be set to low or normal, depending on the specific manufacturer. The auto setting works correctly on many current displays, but requires checking. If the HDMI black level remains incorrect, fixing the other 9 settings will still result in a completely inaccurate picture. Television manufacturers deliberately configure their sets to look bright and aggressively saturated under retail store lighting to prioritize quick sales over accurate home viewing quality. As a direct result, your television ships with motion smoothing turned on, sharpness artificially inflated, eco mode dimming the backlight, and dynamic contrast altering the image constantly. These factory defaults work against actual picture quality the moment the display leaves the retail store. Changing these 10 settings takes only 15 minutes of your time, but thoroughly improves the daily viewing experience. Colors appear completely natural, and dark scenes retain their intended shadow depth, while feature films look like actual movies instead of overlit video recordings. Grab your remote control and adjust these settings right now to see what your television is truly capable of displaying. Doing so completely removes the showroom floor defaults and reveals the high-quality visual image you actually paid good money to see.